So that is why orang kata tak ada lulusan KKM pun memang tak ada lah, because it's food category.
By the way, doctor, can you introduce yourself?
Oh, okay. My name is Karuzana Baharudin. I was an ENT surgeon, but I've retired myself. So now I'm more into health and awareness. So I'm together in BE International.
Hai, Dr. Zana.
Hai.
Shiroto, Bifil semua tu tak ada KKM. Apa macam? Kenapa?
Okay, alright. Now, sebenarnya semua produk BE hantar ke KKM for approval. Okay, but the products in BE bila dia hantar macam Shiruto ataupun Bifil kan, KKM yang akan kategorikan. So it's not under contohnya jamu ke kan, dia bukan under supplement because the material is under food category. So bila under food category macam beras kan, takkan you nak ada sijil KKM kan. So is bila dia dah under ingredients tu dah ada di bawah kategori pemakanan, so tidak perlulah ada yang sijil kelulusan di bawah akta apa-apa ubat-ubatan. It's not ubat pun. So that is why you tak akan nampak a hologram for approval of KKM because it's under food category. But the thing is with BE punya products, dia punya kesan tu memang very strong. It's a very strong contoh antioxidant and ada a few antioxidant in one sachet. Dia bukan macam katalah blueberry je. Kita ada blueberry, kita ada vitamin C, and then ada IPPA1 kan, beta glucan in one sachet. And because of the combination effect, for certain people to a certain extent sampai boleh baik demam, baik sakit tekak. So all these are individual punya testimonies, individual punya pengalaman yang berbeza-beza. So sebab tu kita bila kita sharing, kita tak cakap dia merawat, dia bukan ubat, tapi sebenarnya untuk pencegahan. But setengah orang bila pakai masa dia tengah sakit memang boleh bantu. You know, macam kalau orang biasa kat luar, actually macam dekat UK kan, dia sakit, susah tau nak jumpa doktor bila demam. So they find their own remedies. These are the things that kita boleh bagi ke orang. Find your own remedies before you nak tunggu. Macam sekarang kan, you sakit nak jumpa doktor, susah kan. Unless you nak bayar lah. You nak pergi jumpa kerajaan, you kena tunggu berjam-jam. Sometimes 1 hari dah nak masuk ward pun, katil pula tak ada. So what can you do sementara nak tunggu makin teruk kan? These are the things to help you all lah. So contoh macam Shiruto lah kan. So and kebetulan dia memang sangat-sangat membantu. So that is why orang kata tak ada lulusan KKM pun memang tak ada lah because it's food category.
By the way, doctor, can you introduce yourself?
Oh, okay. My name is Karuzana Baharudin. I was an ENT surgeon, but I've retired myself. So now I'm more into